This is a Money Matters lesson called Tip Jar. And this activity is going to get students to first collect money and then divide that money evenly amongst themselves. So to play this game, they'll have 3 dice that are place value dice, hundreds, tens, and ones. And then they'll have different currency of dollar bills and coins. When students play this game, they will roll the 3 dice and get a number. The 600 is your hundreds place, obviously, but we're going to have that be in your ones being a dollar bill, because that is 100 pennies. So we're going to start with that being the dollar amount, and then the other 2 being after the decimal and being the fractional amount of $1. So for example, this is $6. This roll would be $6.78. So the students will, one student, when they rolled their dice, will go and collect that amount. So I'm going to take a 5 and a $1 bill. I'm going to put it in my tip jar, being the same size. Put those in the tip jar, and then I need 78 cents. So I'm going to duplicate this quarter here to get 75 cents. And then I need to duplicate this penny. So now I got 75, 76, 77, 78. So I have 78 cents in there. So the students will take turns rolling this dice and collecting the amount. They will do this. First time, I will just have each person do it once, but as they get better at it, we're going to have more, each child more rolling more than one time. So as I'm going to pretend that the other players put their money in, so let's say some other dollar amounts. Let's say then another player rolled the 9, a 4, and a 5. So they're going to put in $9. I'm going to duplicate this money here. So $9. Oops. 1, 2, 3, one more. So they have $9 in here. And how many? 45 cents. So I'm going to, and it's going to take the kids thinking about how they can gather up those coins and dollars to put it in there. So there's 25. Look at 35, 45 cents. So we have that in there. So now let's say all the players had gone and they have collected, and this is their money in there. Now I've got to figure out how I divide that number evenly amongst 4 people. So the students can start to divide the money up evenly, but they might find, like, I have enough 5s and 5 ones to give to 3 people, but not to 5. So I might have to cash in and exchange money for different denominations so that I can split it evenly. So it takes some thought into the kids understanding how to divide the money up, and it gets them to really start learning about currency. So it's a really good practice for students as they are learning about money and dividing up money evenly. Enjoy.